Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. Today, I'm talking about one of the business opportunities I'm in called the Fearless Momma. Before I get started, if you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. If you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, click the bell icon next to it. Okay, the Fearless Momma is an educational product where you learn about different marketing strategies that you can use to promote any business opportunity you're in. So this marketing training isn't just for promoting the Fearless Momma, okay? The marketing training that you learn, you can apply it in any business opportunity you're in. I'm using some of the information inside of the Fearless Momma to promote Funnel X ROI, which is the other business opportunity I'm in, okay? But with the Fearless Momma, it costs $250 to get inside this program. It's a one-time payment, and that's it, okay? You do not have to upgrade to the upper levels. This is part of a program called Six Figure Empire, and it's a high-ticket commission program where you get even more training on marketing strategies, okay? But it is not necessary for you to upgrade if you don't want to. As you can see, I'm still at the $250 level. I might upgrade in the future, but right now, you know, I'm eligible to receive 100% instant commissions of $250. And if you pay $250 to get into the Fearless Momma, then you'll have the rights to resell this product and receive 100% instant commissions of $250 from people you sign up into the Fearless Momma. Okay, so just some of the training that is available inside of the Fearless Momma. You have a Craigslist training where the Fearless Momma herself, her name is Tammy, she shows you how to place tiny ads in Craigslist for as little as $5 an ad in order to generate leads for your business opportunity. And Tammy is a 7-figure earner, okay? So you're learning from someone who has made, you know, over $1 million in this type of business, okay? Also, there have been several Fearless Momma masterminds that go over several different marketing strategies that are used to promote a business opportunity. There's a 3-part video series on solo ads alone, okay? And each one of them are about an hour long. So there's lots of information about solo ads in this that that I would highly suggest that you go over, because solo ads is a great way to build your email list and to generate leads. And then there's Facebook marketing strategies. This is a 43-minute video. How to set up a Facebook fan page and how to put up $10 Facebook ads. Okay, classifieds with outsourcing secrets, where you can place, free classified ads or even paid classified ads, and you can outsource that work with somebody on Fiverr or something like that, and they'll place those ads for you. Okay, it's another way of generating leads for your business. An open Q&A session, an overview of the Fearless Momma product and how everything works, how to make sales happen, in other words, consistent conversions, which is what everybody wants, all things related to autoresponders, okay, and somebody was trying to call me on the phone there. Aweber step-by-step video, how to connect your Aweber account to the Fearless Momma, squash the imaginary boulders that stand between you and the income/lifestyle you want. Why are you here? How to create massive conversions for 6 figures a year. And if you want to promote the Fearless Momma product, how to get as many Momma 2.0 members on your front line to make big dollars. Another Fearless Mastermind, how to upgrade into 6-figure empire if that's what you want to do, and some more Craigslist training where you use an 800 link. Okay, so hours and hours of marketing training in the back office of the Fearless Momma that you can go through. Okay, and then there are bonuses. Okay, there are 5 bonuses here. The first bonus is what you want to look at first. Okay, it's a 45-minute video on how to make your first $250 in just 72 hours. Okay, and I want to give a caveat here. This is not a guarantee, all right? There's certain things that you need to do, and it's not a guarantee you're going to make your $250 in 72 hours. But the steps that are outlined here in this video will help you and hopefully get that $250 in just 72 hours, okay? I just want to be real with you, okay? You know, some people might not make that $250 in 72 hours. It may take them a week or 2 weeks. But if they follow the steps in this video, eventually they'll make their $250, okay? Now, there's extra goodies section, 7 modules here where the Fearless Momma, Tammy, talks about her humble beginnings and how she got started in this industry and how she became the Fearless Momma, things like that. Module 2 is this for real, 6-figure empire, work less, make more. This showing her results in the high ticket program, which is 6-figure empire. Module 3, a couple of years ago, she weighed, she lost over 100 pounds for health reasons mostly, and because of this 100-pound transformation, it also helped her in her business. So this is connected to her business too, and she goes over that information in Module 3. Module 4, how to make money from a Jeep. Module 5, when the crap hits the fan, like if something goes wrong in your business, how do you start over and things like that. Module 6, again, if I had to start over, what she would do. And Module 7, 5 keys that unlock big ticket sales. And big ticket sales are like higher priced products that you receive higher price commissions on. Okay, so that's basically it. When you go into your account, once you set up your payment processor, and you can set up with PayPal, Stripe, or there's another one, I forgot the name of it, but I always advise people to get a Stripe account and set that up with the Fearless Momma. Don't use PayPal because PayPal shut down a lot of accounts like earlier this year of marketers who were promoting business opportunities and affiliate products, and they just don't like that type of stuff. So they shut down a lot of accounts, and people's money is frozen for like 6 months. They can't get their hands on their money that was in those accounts for 6 months. Okay, so I say stay away from PayPal. Open up a Stripe account. There are directions in the back office here. When you click on this link, collect 100% commissions. When you click on that link, there will be step-by-step instructions. There's a video that the creator of the Fearless Momma and 6-figure empire, his name is Tim Berger, he gives you a step-by-step video of how to do this. Connect your Stripe account with the Fearless Momma, okay? And then once you do that, once you have that all activated, then you'll get your affiliate link, and it'll be on this page here, okay? Let me click on it real quick. When I scroll down, yeah, authorized.net was the other one, okay? So if you have an authorized.net account, you can use that and set it up with the Fearless Momma, but Stripe is a good one too. Right down here where it says click here to select and edit credit card options, below this is where you will find your affiliate link. So you just promote that affiliate link, and people will put in their email address to find out more information about the Fearless Momma. Let me show you there are several different lead capture pages that they use. Let me show you the one that I'm using. Looks like just like that, very simple. And then when they click on yes, show me how I can make $250 in the next 72 hours, They put in their email address, click go now, and then they go to the video presentation page where Tammy goes over how the Fearless Momma works. And then there's another button that you click on, and then you get another video presentation from the owner, the creator of the system, Tim Berger. He goes over some information, and then you'll be able to sign up with the Fearless Momma. Again, $250 one-time payment. That's it. All right. So if you're interested in getting involved with the Fearless Momma, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area, and you'll find out more information about it, and you can sign up. $250 one-time payment. Okay. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.